Scotland's been in chains for too lang, for too lang. Scotland's been in chains for too lang. Well, Scotland's been in chains and it's time to use our brains. We should have voted aye, but voted nah, voted nah. Should have voted aye, but voted nah. Per Wallace and his men, what for he, what for he? Per Wallace and his men, what for he? Poor Wallace and his men, thousands die in vain. Now sing our hero's name, in and na, in and na. Sing our hero's name, in and na. Oh, Freedom's Day will come, you shall hear, you shall hear. Freedom's Day will come, you shall hear. Oh, Freedom's Day will come, we'll adore the rising sun, and Scotland will be free once again, once again. Scotland will be free once again. Oh, you're Scottish by name,